It's great to quickly attach a wide range of names. But why was that one reason we went to a specialist in the past? It's inside. You may have worried about unraveling bonds. But now, can you take it off? Once you remove the transparent vinyl, you can attach it immediately, allowing you to start painting with ease. But it's too good to be true. Often, the wallpaper is torn in unusual ways. In such cases, I need to change the furniture frequently, which sometimes doesn't help. Additionally, verandas in every corner face a similar issue. Placing them next to windows leads to mold accumulation, harming hygiene. You got to take care of it. And you should have drawn this in your sketchbook.
Even though you've passed puberty, don't you still have this kind of graffiti? It once was a famous flower gate, but now it's just a bit. Yes.
This really changes the atmosphere of the house.